The auto-retracting bed straps are perfect for anyone who regularly hauls stuff in the bed of their truck. If you value versatility and ease of use, this is quickly going to become one of your favorite truck accessories. Designed to bolt into the bed of your 2015 and newer F-150, these do the job of the versatile ratchet strap, but it removes all the hassle of dealing with them, and it's also not going to cost you a fortune. Now, if you've ever dealt with ratchet straps, you know that while they are super versatile and helpful, you'll never get them wrapped up perfectly, and they're kind of a pain to deal with once you're done using them. And as the name would indicate here, these will retract automatically at the touch of this button. These also lock automatically, so it makes securing your cargo and valuables about as easy as can be. So all you really have to do is just move this little lever right up here, and it's locked in place, drop it down, and it retracts automatically. Now, the strap is about 9 feet long, so it's more than enough to secure even the largest pieces of cargo in the bed. And there's no futzing with multiple hooks either, because the mechanism side is designed to bolt directly into the bed of your truck. So it's even more secure than a standard ratchet strap, and it's a heck of a lot easier to use. Now, this strap also has a working load limit of up to 400 pounds, so you can strap down some pretty hefty stuff with this. And when you're all done, again, just push that button, retract it, and you've got all your bed space and quite a bit of your time back, since you don't have to deal with winding these back up. The strap is made from a heavy-duty woven material, as you'd expect from a ratchet strap, and you've got some gold accents here on the actual mechanism itself. You'll also find rubberized grips on the handle here and a plastic covering on the hook to keep your hands and cargo damage-free, and there's even a little extra hook to keep these extra secure when you've got it hooked up to something. The mounting bracket is made from stainless steel, and you're going to find a textured black powder coat for additional protection. You also get all the hardware you need to get this mounted, and the bolts are hardened and phosphate coated for additional protection against rust and corrosion. So this is a really solid piece of kit. Pricing comes in at about $120, which, while it may be expensive for a pair of ratchet straps, it is a small price to pay for the convenience that these offer. Now, I'm a huge fan of anything this functional and this well made, especially for a decent price. And if you haul a lot of stuff, I think you're quickly going to find the cost of these justified, especially because you get two. So it's going to make your bed space imminently more usable. And again, it's just a heck of a lot easier than dealing with regular ratchet straps or, God forbid, bungee cords. More good news as we talk about installation. We're going to give this job a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and it should take you less than an hour to complete. Now, we're building in a little extra time here in case your truck does not have mounting holes already drilled in the bed, because you will need to drill holes in the bed of your truck if it doesn't have them already. However, if you do have mounting points already drilled out, this install is super easy, and again, all the hardware you need is included in the kit. We're going to show you the process step by step right now, so for that, let's head on out to the shop.
For this install, you need a ratchet and a 10mm socket. All right, today we're going to be installing a bed strap in our F-150, so let's get started. All right, so we're going to get this bolted on. This is a nice, easy installation. So we have our 4 threaded holes in our bed here. We have 4 supply 10mm bolts. So I put our bracket up like so, thread our bolts in, and we go ahead and tighten them down. We're going to grab our ratchet, 10mm socket, and tighten those down. All right, now you're all secured down, ready to go. You just pull your strap out. Now that we have it bolted on, just pull it out, and you have your auto-retract, and tighten it down. You just use it like a normal ratchet strap. And that wraps up our install of our auto-retracting bed strap, colored gold, for our 2015 and newer F-150. And remember, for everything F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.